Hello guys, welcome to Technomails. In this video, we are going to see how to remove a particular page number in Microsoft Word. Let's begin with inserting page number. After inserting the page number, we can see the header and footer menu above. Sometimes this menu may not be there. It's because we may click accidentally outside the header and footer after inserting the page number. To get back this menu, we have to double-click the header and footer. Inside the header and footer menu, we can see these options, in which the first one is differentiate first page, which differentiates the first page from second page by removing the first page. We are going to use this option to remove a particular page number. For example, to remove the page number 3, we have to make the third page as the first page. To do this, we have to separate these sections into two by using the section break. Before adding the section break, place the cursor in front of the first line of the specific page. After this, click Layout, Breaks. Under section break, click Next page. Now we can see the page number is removed. We can also bring back the page number by double-clicking the header and footer and uncheck this differentiate first page option. That's it guys. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching.